Welcome to eLearn Static GK Compilation 3. Let us start. What is the basic attribute of a formal organization? Rules and regulations. Which organ in animal breaks fat to produce cholesterol? Liver. What about the salaries of judges of Supreme Court of India during financial emergency? Cannot be reduced. From which state does the river Godavari flows through? Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. What is the maximum value of the wavelength of ultrasonic waves? 1.65 centimeters. The World Water Conservation Day is observed on which date? 22nd March. The headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is located in which city? Vienna. Which one of the Chola king conquered Sinhal first? Rajaraja I. Which vitamin is necessary for blood clotting? Vitamin K. Which can be abolished but not dissolved? State Legislative Council. What does talc contains? Magnesium, silicon and oxygen. Which place was famous as the seat of Mahayana learning? Nalanda. Who is the chairman of 13th Finance Commission? Vijay Kelkar. In a food chain, how much solar energy utilized by plants? 1%. With whom do the temperature cyclones bring mild rainfall? In which seat did Gandhara School of Art came into existence? Mahayana sector. From where can a member of parliament claim immunity? From civil cases only. Which types of waves are produced in a sonometer wire? Transverse stationary. Supersonic jet causes pollution by thinning of which layer? Third layer. When do the sea breeze blow? Day from sea to land. Why did Muhammad Ghazni attack India? To establish his empire in India. In which terms is the rate of growth of Indian economy is measured? National income. Which organ have the capacity of regeneration? Liver. The union territories get representation in which house? Both houses of parliament. Strait of Malacca separates which countries? Sumatra and Malaysia. The extent of Delhi Sultanate Empire was the greatest during which reign? Alauddin Khilji. Which mixture is homogeneous? Methanol and water. Who is the author of the book Nice Guys Finish Second? Michael Hammer. Book of poems entitled Lamhe Lamhe is written by which Indian actress? Deepti Nayawal. In which ocean are Hawaiian Islands are located? North Pacific Ocean. In which year was the first Indian Council Act passed? 1861. Which organelle is present in bacteria or prokaryotic cell? Ribosomes. After how many years 1/3 of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire? Second year. Amravati, Bhavani, Hemavati and Kabini are tributaries of which river? Kaveri. By whom was the doctrine of lapse introduced? Lord Dalhousie. Which hormone contains iodine? Thyroxine. Which soil is most suitable for cultivation of cereals? Alluvial soils. Who were the Ashtadhiggaja in the court of Krishnadevaraya? 8 Telugu poets. By whom the oath of a High Court judge is administered? Governor. The highest temperature is achieved in which type of furnace? Electric. Who among the following is the first Asian winner of the Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. What are the plants of tropical and subtropical regions called? Mesoderms. In which year railway budget in India separated from the general budget? 1924 to 25. Which High Court has a jurisdiction over the state of the Arunachal Pradesh? Mumbai. Which climate factor has the least effect upon the terrestrial ecosystem? Wind. Which group have quantities that do not have the same dimensions, force and impulse? Which Indian became the president of International Court of Justice? Dr. Nagendra Singh. Which Asian languages are UN official languages? Chinese and Arabic. Who was the founder of Sunga dynasty? Pushyamitra. What is not a digestive enzyme in human system? Gastrin. The distribution of seats of the parliament are based on which census? 1971. Which element is responsible for blue baby syndrome? Nitrate. Which has geographical position of 0 degree latitude and 0 degree longitude in the South Atlantic Ocean? Which Mughals is regarded more as an adventurer than a ruler? Babur. In a short run, a producer how long continues his production? Fixed cost. Who is the author of the book The Argumentative India? Amartya Sen. Which conditions are not favorable for the growth of coral reefs? Freshwater. Who was the first Indian ruler to organize the Hajj pilgrimage at the expense of the state? Akbar. Which can be abolished but not be dissolved? State Legislative Council. Which is not electromagnetic in nature? Cathode rays. Which would be the shortest route from the San Francisco to Vladivostok, flying over the Pacific Ocean? Who founded the East Indian Association? Dadabhai Naoroji. What is the aim of the operation of the Blackboard? Promoting adult literacy. What is the pH level of blood of a normal person? 7.35 to 7.45. Under the Constitution, the residuary powers vest with the which government? Union government. What is the important feature of shifting cultivation? Change of cultivation site. Which Peshwa was popularly known as Nana Sahib? Balaji Bajirao. Which form of phosphorus is used in safety matches? Red phosphorus. Who was the first black tennis player to win Wimbledon title? Althea Gibson. Murrah is breed of which animal? Buffalo. By whom was the life cycle of Plasmodium in mosquito discovered? Ronald Rose. How many subjects are in the state list? 66. Which phenomena is used in optical fibers? Total internal reflection. Which country is included in the Northwest Pacific Fishing Grounds? Japan. When did Aityaruddin bin Bakhtiyar Khilji invaded Bengal? 1206 AD. What is the animal on the insignia of RBI, Reserve Bank of India? It's panther. In India, a maximum number of newspapers are published in which language? Hindi. Production of which thing is a function of liver? Urea. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli. Who popularized the theory of Arctic region as the original home of the Aryans? Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Under which article was the state of Jammu and Kashmir accorded special status? Article 370 of the Constitution. What is the ratio of pure gold in 18 karat gold? 75%. Which state ranks first in milk procurement in India? Gujarat. Which is the oldest Veda? Rig Veda. What is the temporary tax levied to obtain additional revenue? Surcharge. How do most insects respire? By trachea system. Who is the longest serving chief minister in India? Jyoti Basu. By which atmospheric humidity is measured? Psychrometer. Which was the sultan who called himself Naibai Khudai or deputy of the god? Balban. If the earth were to spin faster, how does acceleration due to gravity at the poles? Remains the same. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Anne Besant. Where is the headquarters of the UN Industrial Development Organization? Vienna, Austria. Which is the oldest monument? Ajanta. Retina of the eye is comparable to which part of the traditional camera? Lens. Lotteries organized by the government of state comes under which list? State list. Which gas is used for the refrigeration? Ammonia. Which region of the world is most thickly populated? East Asia. The Champaran Satyagraha was started by the Mahatma Gandhi in which year? 1917. What does dear money policy imply? High interest rate. Which decade is celebrated as Bone and Joint Decade, recognized by WHO, World Health Organization? It is 2001 to 2010. Which factors are most responsible for the disease in plants? Fungi.